Good morning, YouTube. I'm Fritz, one of the founders of Fluid SA, which is a full-service Amazon agency now based in Cape Town, where I'm coming to you live from. We are partnered with an established Amazon agency in Europe, and that's where our experience comes from, helping medium-sized German and European businesses. Now we're in South Africa to help South African businesses. This video is just covering some of the topics that we speak about every day with business owners in South Africa, in educating them and helping them to expand onto Amazon. So just some simple points to start off with, and then I'm going to cover some differences between Amazon and Takealot, which is the dominant e-commerce platform in South Africa. So to start off with, it's important to realize that Amazon's launch in South Africa is a soft launch. Only so many of their categories are live. Several are still restricted, such as fashion and ingestibles, which are really big categories on e-commerce. So that indicates that it's still a soft launch. But this is an opportunity to any business owner that wants to sell in the South African market, because Amazon is a marathon and not a sprint. This is what we have seen from our experience in Europe and the United States, that it takes time and investment to grow your business on Amazon. You, of course, need a high quality product that consumers enjoy and will generate good reviews, but you also need to gain visibility. And that's only possible with time in Amazon's algorithm and marketing spend and investment into all the best practices and tricks possible to increase visibility. That'll be topics spoken about in other videos. So anyways, it's a marathon and not a sprint. Plus the fact that Amazon is in a soft launch in South Africa, a soft launch phase in its infancy, you could say. This clearly offers an opportunity to businesses to take advantage of Amazon's unsaturation, its relative unsaturation compared to its future. So this is why we try to share best practices that we've established in Amazon's most dominant marketplaces, such as the United States and Germany and England and Japan, and bringing those to South Africa to help these businesses. So to cover some of the differences between Takealot and Amazon, first, of course, there's various technical differences. So with the setup on Amazon, you're going to need barcodes that are different to the barcodes you need for Takealot. These are GS1 barcodes, Global Standard 1, and it is possible to get a barcode exemption. So that's something you should consider as a business owner if you're not trying to spend on GS1 barcodes, to consider applying to that or to reach out to us to advise you on that. Yeah, that's a big difference from Takealot. Another difference between Amazon and Takealot is the global reach offered by Amazon. This is an obvious and clear difference that should be appreciated by South Africans if they're wondering, should we expand from Takealot onto Amazon? Because many of our new business partners, they already were selling on Takealot, and they're dubious about expanding to Amazon. Amazon gives you reach to over 300 million customers across the globe. That's 5 times the population of South Africa. And its marketplace generates more revenue in a year than the GDP of South Africa. So yes, I think it's a clear answer to go onto the Amazon marketplace and to enjoy that global reach. Another difference is the brand image of Amazon. Amazon is one of the most recognizable brands in the world, and it's one of the reasons that it's an e-commerce leader of the world. So I think it's clear that Amazon is a leader in its market, and another reason why, as an online seller, you should be going onto its platform. The last point I wanted to make on the difference between the two is the opportunity that Amazon gives you to tell your brand story. So many brands are worried of selling online due to fears of it diminishing their brand image and value. However, Amazon gives you the opportunity to present your brand in a really desirable way and to tell your brand story, to express the values of your business and not just have your products listed in minimum detail. So that's one of the differences between Amazon and Takealot, or those are some of the differences, along with various technical details that are just very different in the setup process, and why so many of our new business partners are people who have successfully set up and sold on Takealot but are unable to duplicate that on Amazon. So that's all for now for this video. We're going to try to keep them all relatively short. Please let me know or leave some comments if there's any particular topics that you're interested to discuss about Amazon in South Africa and Amazon in general. And yeah, thank you.